Feet on the pigs, eh? Okay? Not like this, not feet hanging down.
After the tip of the day, we ride through the Eastern Free State on a beautiful sunny day.
Við fórum upp fellið.
Bara vonin beittu niður hérna. Það var einhver okkar sem beigði frá henni, sko.
Allt í góðum?
Þetta allt í fína, meiri háttar, öllu leyti. Útsýni, séu það maður, þetta yfir.
Kekjað.
Drekka nummer 1 og 3 í þessum hita.
Allt í lagi? Erfitt?
Ég bara þreytur hérna strax á morgnum.
Já, ok.
En allt í lagi.
Þú ert líka komin yfir 70?
Já, það er góð afsökun.
The weather is absolutely fantastic, but the trail is a bit rougher than Adrian and Dave had anticipated.
So that's Africa. You ride the trail, and then just few weeks or months later, it's a different trail.
It does, it changes with the weather.
Yeah.
And there's poor road maintenance, so it can go for years without them repairing it. And we've had a lot of storms and rain, so it's changed this from when Dave and I rode it last.
After a really nice ride in the mountains, it's good to be back on the tar and enjoy the magnificent view on the way back to the hotel.
The plonker or chop or joker of the day, you know?
Villi, hvað gerist?
Ég snýr á mig löppina.
Hvernig?
Í polli.
Í polli?
Já. Vatni bara tók löppina og snýr inn bara.
This is special snake oil.
Snake oil, yeah.
Snake oil.
I love snake
Very,
oil.
very
Yeah,
special
I feel the
snake oil.
smell. It smells like snake oil. Oh. So. No.
Finished. Sorted.
Heldur þetta Rómó hjá ykkur? Ha?
Við höfum alltaf með þetta Rómó.
Þið ættum við Rómó. Sjá hérna, hérna sitaði félagarnir, æsku félagarnir og horfa og dasta á hjólunum og láta sig dreyma morgundaginn. Æja, Guðmundur, dagur 6.
Já.
Þetta 6 í dagur.
Hann loksins kominn.
Hann loksins kominn.
Ha.
Loksins.
Þetta líður hrætt.
Þetta eitthvað að fatta þetta?
Nei.
So that's Kevin and he's providing a VIP service here.
There we go.
Og kaftinninn hann situr bara hérna á tröðri nefi og horfir á. Kevin. All aboard. All aboard. Finna hjólið eða eitthvað, eller finna hótelið sig. Lesotho.
Alltaf vera klárt.
Alltaf vera klárt. Okay.
Það verður eitthvað.
Það verður eitthvað, já. Hérna sjáu þið nú flott dæmi Eirík. Tandurent hjól, galli og húa og allt í stíl.
Nákvæmlega.
Snýrt skegg, þó allir aðrir séu svo villimenn. Þetta Eiríkur.
Now the real adventure begins as we go through Lesotho border control and begin our journey in the mountain kingdom of Lesotho.
Wow. A lot of construction.
Interesting morning, eh?
Interesting morning. Yeah, it's in some ways it's more challenging than off-road because you have to be aware of so many things.
Trucks.
Yeah.
You see the ladies with their red flag which says
Yeah.
like stop, go,
Yeah.
stop, go.
Svangur.
Orðin
Óttumbar. Já, takk.
Welcome to Lesotho. We've got some beautiful mountains coming up, and then the magnificent Katse Dam. Yeah, good, great riding coming up.
It's a movie. You're gonna be in a movie. Hi.
We are now on what is called the Chinese Road, which is a 91 kilometers, 7 meters wide paved road built by the Chinese, which costed $128 million. This road is a motorcycle heaven.
Einar, 3020 metrar. 3020.
Það finnur líka að það var að kólna töluvert.
Já, já.
Það er geggjast. Geggjaðu við.
Finnið ekkert fyrir súrefninu? Nei.
We ride towards the Katse Dam, a concrete arch dam on the Mali-Papacho River. It's Africa's second largest double curvature arch dam, and it is a part of the Lesotho Highland Water Project.
They're drinking the water that they use for power making.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So this water is tunneled through the northern Drakensberg Veluti Mountains, and the pipe comes out just behind Clarence, that little town that we...
That's a long way.
It's a long way, eh?
Soon we start our challenging ride of 58 kilometers on rough, badly maintained gravel road, which will eventually lead us to Motherland Guest House in Tseka.
Símaðinn? Já. Hvað segir þið? Er allir góðir? Já. Jóhannes, ertu góður? Já, strákar.
And now that he's back, and I've noticed you're riding way better. So well done, eh?
Thank you.
They are friends from Iceland. Do you know where Iceland is?
No.
It's by the North Pole. Do you know where the North Pole is?
No.
No.
Far away.
Far away. It's very cold there, okay? They eat a lot of fish. These two gentlemen say three. So this was the best fish that they've had to eat in a long time.
Now, here we go. You sure know how to do it?
Yeah, no, absolutely. I just wanted to see how tight it was.
I'm just kidding.
Adrian begins the day by changing the front tire of Eggert's bike, which had been leaking for some time. Not surprisingly, due to a damaged rim.
Adrian, I'm gonna end the filming now. I'm gonna say good job.
Thank you very much.
Þú voru að lofa að vera stiltur í dag.
Já.
Mátt ekki skemma felguna, þetta er gullfelga.
Já, ég er með svo flott framdekk núna til að fara í beygjurnar.
Já, ok.
Jú, þetta er gaman.
But before starting the ride of the day, we need fuel. And at this time, from a rather primitive petrol station.
Er það býðið bensinni? Já. Þetta er flott bensinstöð. Take a photo. Yay. You're good. Very good.
Today's ride is through a very beautiful area, which will take us over spectacular high remote mountain passes like Mogobong Pass, Pass of Jackals, Chest Pass, and Lika Connect Pass.
How beautiful is this?
this road that we just been riding
Yes.
from the last hotel in the mountains, I like it. You know, it's for me it's like almost like off-road. It's so twisting and bending and throttling and braking, and I love it.
And also, there's no signposts to tell you if it's a sharp corner.
No.
There's no barriers.
No.
There's no white line.
No.
There's no things to show you. You've got to keep your wits about you the whole time.
Yeah.
What a road and what a landscape. It just doesn't get any better than this. Simply a paradise for motorcycles.
Hi.
Hello.
95. Fill it up, please.
Fill it up.
95.
95.
On the junction of the road to the Malet Falls, we met a wonderful native family.
Iceland.
Yeah, from Iceland. Where are you from?
Okay, I'm from Roma. You just passed through Roma. So I just came over here to visit my friend in Simongo. So we are from the waterfall. I see you hidden there.
What's the road like now?
I know, you guys can go through. Actually, it's about less than a 1 kilometer.
Okay,
but
it's
after
not
that,
muddy.
it's so smooth.
It's more smooth. It's not
Yeah.
mud. No,
Yes. After dropping them and going down.
Hi. You want to sit on the bike?
Yeah.
Yeah? Ég ætla að leta strákinn hérna. Far þú og þið.
Which one?
Hi, what's the wood? Yeah.
Come here, you can sit on this one. Okay.
Just sit here. Started for it.
Vroom, vroom. Hvað segir strákar? Er þetta flottur foss? Hæ?
Nei, þetta er flotta ljósmyndar að við erum með. Getur ekki summan gert hann svolítið meiri? Svo bara til að...
Jú, jú.
We are now almost at the Semenkong Lodge, where we will lodge for the night. We all agree that the lodge has the most primitive driveways we've ever encountered.
Sér eitthvað? Wow. Við Einar erum að reyna að leita að herbygginu okkar hérna. Það er ekki stærri upp í skógi með þunga töskur. Strákarnir er ennþá að koma inn. Þetta er nú meiri veröldin sem við erum komin í hérna. Margt er nú búið að gera erfitt í þessari ferð. En ég held ég verð að segja það að það erfiðasta sem ég hef gert í þessari ferð er að labba hérna upp og fara hérna inn í húsi okkar. Þetta var erfið ganga inn á skuli. En er herbyggi flott?
Já, þetta er svolítið öðru. Strá.
Hefðu, sjá, þetta er bara ekta afrikanos. Fá syngot rúmið. Kúl maður. Engin ljós. Stúrta.
Þetta er erfiðasti part af deginum.
Af hverju?
Ég segir það.
Já, meinarðu hingað upp yfir? Já.
Puðu?
Að puðu að labba upp?
Rétta felgu.
Flemming, hvað þú með í matinn?
Oxtails réttur.
Rosalega gott maður.
Já. Þetta er uxahala.
Uxahala.
Já. Ok. Björgvin, þetta er leið.
Er heitt úti?
Mjög.
Hvað ert þú með?
Lítir, ég með uxahala.
Uxahala, ok, cool.
Crispy pork, afríska móta.
Ok.
Squiddy has spoken to me and the nomination for champion of the day, and you can give a little bit of story about why, is Gudmundur. You.
So, guys, I think Gudmundur should have the champion of the day because yesterday he fell, he hurt himself, and when he started this morning, he was not feeling good. But he finished the day as a champion.
Yes.
He rode the whole day and he really came through. So, champion of the day is Gudmundur.
Yes. Nice. supply of my kitchen.
We say goodbye to this beautiful and spectacular accommodation and head out on our amazing scenic and twisted tar road on our way back to South Africa. In the mountains, we met this nice shepherd who told us all about his life in the mountains, although we had to guess what he was really telling us.
Look at me now. No, my house, no, 4. Look at me now. Oh. Yeah.
Low house, low. Húsin hans hérna og fjárhúsin.
Look at me now.
landamærin aftur yfir til Suður Afríku. Við erum búin að fara í gegnum passport control. Þannig að við förum hérna. Við erum fyrir 1 kilometer. Þá erum við komum að landamærunum inn í Suður Afríku.
The most dangerous part of riding a bike in South Africa are the potholes of the tar, are real rim and tire killers.
Nice hotel.
Jú, þetta nice.
Ekki? Hvað segir Gummi í rifbeinsbrotni?
Bara fínt.
En það ekki? Bara hress eins og alltaf? Það er ekkert annað. Jói, þetta er helviti lélegt. Við erum bara tveir saman í baði.
So what is this?
It's a lamb shank.
Lamb shank. It looks good.
Speciality.
Wow, it looks good.
Speciality.
But
Herman ordered 2 lamb chops and lamb shank.
Whoa. So what's this?
This is calamari, prawns, fish.
Flaming.
Hvað er þú með?
Fransbröð með fyllingu.
Fransbröð með fyllingu? Arnar? Lamb, ok. Þetta er leið?
Hérna, Suður afríska lambið er bara fínt.
Er það ekki? Einar, hvað er það?
Lambakótilettur með piparsósu.
Leið? Þú segir þetta alltaf. Það var að kokkurinn sjálfur?
Já,
Hvernig er þetta?
Við erum bara í delicious dinner hér.
Þetta er gott?
Félagarnir.
Já.
Þetta er bara frábært.
Mjög gott. Ok.
Bara very well done.
Ok.
And we'll be staying at the Sani Hotel in Underberg.
He actually ran out of petrol?
He ran out of petrol for the second time on tour.
That's a much more fuck up than I did. That's a much more fuck up than I did.
Alright, so now we're going to vote.
I think we know.
Okay. So hands up for Scully. 2.
Okay, and?
Okay.
If anybody wants to swap their tire with Billy, don't. Don't. This is how we teach people responsible behavior, is make them pay for their fuck-ups. Hey, Billy.
We just need to now move on to the champion of the day.
Okay.
And I haven't had any nominations for champion of the day. Does anybody want to nominate a champion of the day? Somebody who is riding so much better now, today, than they were at the beginning of the tour, and deserves the champion of the day because we no longer see him near the back anymore. He's gone. He's up the road. He's like riding close to the middle of the field with the guys. Is you, Thor.
Nice. Thank you.
Pleasure. Well done. Well done.